I'm a beekeeper, so I'm always excited to get cute honey related products, and today I'm excited to show you this day and night moisturizing lip mask set, a honey lip balm, honey mask by She Loves, and we're gonna unbox it today. So the first thing I noticed about this is really cute packaging. It's got this metallic look, cute prints on it. This is probably gonna be an adorable little gift. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Teeny tiny honey dippers. I cannot wait. Nice. We've got cherry blossom here, and this is just straight up honey. Look at that. Beautiful. But the true test is going to be whether or not this is actually moisturizing. That's pretty critical for me. I'm sorry, I am too excited to try this. Look at this. Oh, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm obsessed. All right, let's smell it. That is delightful. It's a clean cherry scent. It doesn't smell fakey and gross. You can actually see there's a lot of good gelatin in there. This does actually contain honey and honey extract and beeswax. I love seeing that. Okay, let's put this on my hand. Oh, that is thick. She's thick. Thick and glossy. Loving this. I'm actually gonna put some on my lips right now. Please hold. That is so smooth. So smooth, so thick. Let you in on a little secret. I wear these not just as nighttime masks. I just wear these as like standard lip gloss. I live in Colorado. It's really dry here, especially in the winter, but really all year round. So a thick, truly moisturizing balm or mask is sort of ideal for our weather here. I want to show you this other little feature I just noticed. Look at that. That is for our sweet little honey dipper. Oh my gosh. What? Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Holy cow, I'm obsessed. We're gonna open the honey one now. It smells great. I can see some cute little air bubbles in there. That is really, really nice. Shiny. I'll put that on my lips too. It smells really good too. It's not a fakey, gross, perfumey smell. It doesn't taste gross. It doesn't taste like petroleum-y. How cute is this? How cute. Love it.